We have been getting complaints from members of the public that their phones are being snatched by bad guys. So we crafted a team that we sent in the field. Luckily enough, as they were carrying on their operations, there was one phone that had just been snatched. As we were tracking the phone, it led us to a house where we recovered this cache and arrested 3 characters. They did not give us a reasonable account as to why they hold a lot of mobile phones. They alleged that they are repairers, but there were no implements for doing that operation. We recovered 294 mobile phones, 1 laptop, and 1 CPU. From the face of the laptop, the softwares that are there, we discovered that there are softwares that are used to flash mobile phones, where they confuse the mobile phone and change IMEI numbers. So they sell them from other unsuspecting members of the public, and at the same time, they go ahead by using the SIM card that they will have been able to open to extort money from members of the public. I wish also to take this opportunity to appeal to members of the public that if you have lost a phone, here are some. What you only require is come up with an OB number in case you made a report that will lead us to identify your phone. Yes, as you correctly put, we have a surge in cases of mobile phone snatching. It had gone down by December, but in this month of January, we experienced a surge in cases of snatching. We have crafted a team that we have specially dedicated their efforts towards fighting this menace. About extortion through mobile phone money transfers, yes, it is still a problem that we are fighting. You see, as we design our ways, the bad guys also design theirs. But suffice to say that in the recent past, we have cracked cases where we have arraigned people in court. Some we have even been able to connect them with the murder incidents that have been happening in the past. We also recently identified a mobile money outlet that the service provider has only dedicated that service to suspicious characters who go and withdraw money from that entity. I wish to say that the activities of these criminal gangs has gone down, and as we talk now, even some have relocated from within Nakuru town. So we are really up on the game, and it's just a matter of time that we crack down on this.